Hi everyone, this is just going to serve as a quick tutorial on how to log into OnlineRadSchool.com. This is going to be the service that you use when you're clocking into clinic and then out of clinic. There should be a computer somewhere in the department that you can use, or you can use your phone, that's fine as well, to do this. So school ID for everyone is going to be 117. Your username and student ID is just going to be the first initial of your first name. In my case, my first name is Taryn, so the first letter is T. And then your last name. So mine will be T Price, just as an example. And then your password, each of us, our password is going to be our banner ID number. So I'm going to go ahead and enter mine. And then you should be able to log in. Then what you do is just go here to open time clock. Select. I'm just going to select any clinical site. You will of course select the clinical site you are at. Then you're going to again enter your student ID, which is your banner number. So the same number you just used as your password. Then you would click submit and you would be clocked in. The process is exactly the same for clocking out as well.